Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Cash App to buy V-Bucks, so let's get right into it. Now, V-Bucks are, of course, Fortnite's sort of in-game currency, which you can use to buy cosmetics, and you can very easily purchase it with a Cash App balance. So let me explain to you guys how you can do it with this play-by article right here. Now, I'll be adding something else if needed through my own words. However, this article is very well written, so I'll explain everything here. Now, you can't do it directly through Cash App. However, you can use the Cash App Cash Card. You can use it to either purchase a prepaid Visa, or in Cash App you can sign up for the Cash Card, which is in your app, the second icon from the bottom left. You can click on that and you'll sign up for your Cash Card, which you will need to wait until it arrives. It arrives within 14 business days, and once it arrives you'll be able to activate that card and use it as a standard Visa debit card with the balance you have on your Cash App. Then you'll be able to use it in the in-game store and purchase V-Bucks from there. Alternatively, you can also purchase digital gift cards from retailers that accept Cash App payments, and you just need to look for digital game cards where you play Fortnite or on those platforms such as PlayStation or the PSN, Xbox Live, or directly from the Epic Games Store. And after you get the gift card, all you have to do is redeem it through the actual store, and you should be good to go. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.